Let me guess, you're spending hours on LinkedIn searching for leads, sending connection requests, and crafting messages, but your inbox is still empty and your pipeline, well, it's stuck. Hey everyone, my name is Cole, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to unlock the full potential of LinkedIn Sales Navigator and build a streamlined, effective prospecting system that actually gets results. If you're ready to stop guessing and start closing, let's dive in. Before we jump into the more advanced tactics, let's make sure your foundation is rock solid. And that starts with setting up your persona. This step is critical. It's like having a GPS for your prospecting strategy. Without it, you're aimlessly scrolling through LinkedIn, wasting valuable time on leads that won't convert. LinkedIn Sales Navigator gives you access to millions of profiles, but without a well-defined persona, it's like searching for a needle in a haystack. When your persona is dialed in, every search becomes laser focused, showing you only the prospects who matter the most to your business. Let me walk you through how to set this up. Start by heading to the top right corner of Sales Navigator and clicking on Personas. Then select Create New Persona. Let's say I want to target sales development leaders in the US, the people responsible for driving outbound sales strategies and scaling revenue. I'll name this persona SDR Leaders. Starting off with the function filter, I'll select Sales to focus exclusively on sales professionals. Now, under seniority level, I'll check Director and VP because these are the key decision makers who can actually implement new tools and strategies. Finally, for geography, I'll select the United States to target businesses within my market. Once I hit save, every search I run will now zero in on high-level sales leaders at growing companies, making it easier to connect with the right decision makers and start meaningful conversations. But here's a pro tip. Don't stop with just one persona. Create multiple personas for different customer segments. For example, you could create one for sales directors in financial services and another for operations managers in e-commerce brands. Keeping these personas separate lets you tailor your outreach and messaging to each specific audience, making your prospecting more targeted and way more effective. So now that your persona is in place and your searches are more focused, it's time that we start leveling up your targeting. Let's talk about a powerful search method that can take your results to the next level. Enter Boolean search, one of Sales Navigator's most powerful yet often overlooked features. If you're not using it, you're seriously missing out on opportunities to refine your lead searches. Boolean search lets you build hyper-targeted searches by combining keywords with simple logic operators like and, or, and not. Now, add in quotation marks and parentheses, and you can filter out the noise and zero in on your ideal leads. Start with quotation marks to search for exact phrases. For example, typing marketing manager tells LinkedIn to show only profiles with that exact title. Without quotes, you get results like digital marketing specialist, which is definitely not what you're after. To broaden your search and include multiple job titles, use the or operator. For example, VP of marketing or head of marketing or director of marketing. This pulls up profiles with any of these titles, saving you from running separate searches. Want to narrow things down further? Use the and operator to combine search criteria. Try this, sales and marketing. Now, LinkedIn will only show you profiles that mention both sales and marketing, making it perfect for finding professionals with cross-functional experience. But what if your search results are cluttered with irrelevant roles, like interns or assistants? Well, clean it up with the not operator. Something like this, sales and B2B, not intern, not assistant. This instantly filters out junior roles, leaving you with the decision makers who actually have buying power. Now, for even more precision, combine these operators with parentheses. Let's say you're targeting operational leaders in retail. You could search operations manager or supply chain manager and retail or e-commerce, not consultant. This refined search zeroes in on operations and supply chain managers in retail or e-commerce while excluding consultants who might not be relevant. But here's a quick tip. Always draft your Boolean searches in a document first. Google Docs, Notepad, whatever works. Trust me, it's much easier to spot mistakes and fine-tune your search before pasting it into Sales Navigator. So once you start using Boolean search effectively, your results will become sharper and far more relevant. No more endless scrolling. You'll be locked in on the right people, the decision makers who can actually move the needle. Now that you know how to fine-tune your searches with Boolean logic, let's combine that with LinkedIn's advanced filters to create an even sharper prospecting strategy. All right, so Boolean search is great for tightening your focus, but LinkedIn Sales Navigator's advanced filters take precision prospecting to a whole new level. Let's say you want to connect with COOs at mid-sized logistics companies in Chicago. Advanced filters help you pinpoint exactly those types of prospects with minimal effort. Start by setting the industry filter to logistics and supply chain and the geography to Chicago, Illinois. Then refine your search with the company headcount filter, focusing on businesses with 51 to 200 employees. This is large enough to need operational solutions, but also agile enough to act fast. Finally, apply the seniority level filter to target C-suite executives, specifically COOs. Remember, the more granular you get with your filters, the more precise results you'll receive. So, in just a few steps, you've built a highly focused list of decision makers who align perfectly with your solution. But targeting the right people isn't going to cut it. You also need to be able to engage with them at just the right moments. That's where the recent updates filter comes in. You can use change jobs, post it on LinkedIn, and mention in the news to spot prospects who are actively engaging or going through changes. In other words, this creates ideal moments for you to reach out. For example, if a COO on your list recently started a new role, that's a golden opportunity to connect. You could say, "Hi Emma, congrats on your new role at GreenPath Logistics. I'd love to share how we help logistics teams streamline operations. Would you be open for a quick chat?" Or if a lead recently posted about supply chain issues, you could say, "Hey David, I saw your recent post about supply chain efficiency. We recently helped a logistics company cut delivery times by 20%. Would love to share how we did it. Open for a quick chat?" These timely, relevant messages make your outreach feel personal and increase your chances of starting a meaningful conversation. Now, another high-impact strategy is focusing on fast-growing companies. Using the department headcount growth filter, select a department you sell to and set the growth rate to 33% or higher. Rapid growth often brings operational changes, making it the perfect time to introduce your solution. Here's how you might reach out. "Hey Bill, I noticed your sales team is expanding fast. Congrats. I've been working with growing teams to streamline outreach, and I was wondering if it would be helpful to explore how we can support your growth." By combining growth filters with real-time insights like job changes and company news, you're engaging decision makers who are not just relevant, but actively searching for ways to solve new challenges. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more actionable sales tips and strategies. As always, thanks for watching, happy prospecting, and I'll see you in the next video.